Hey, first graders, it is Wednesday today and we're going to work some more on subtraction. But first, we're going to work a little bit on a few double plus one math facts. So let's get started. Okay, so earlier this week I have been walking you through all of them. Today I'm going to give you a math fact and I want you to solve it and then we'll check it together. So you may want to get counters or a piece of paper or a dry erase board to help you. All right, can you solve this math fact first? All right, 2 plus 1. So if you did this work by yourself, you should have said, oh, 2 and 1 are right next to each other, so I can use the double plus 1 strategy. So I double the smaller add-in first. 1 plus 1 equals 2, and then add one more. 2 plus 1 is 3. And with this problem, it kind of doesn't really help very much to use the double plus 1 strategy because look what we ended up doing. 2 plus 1, 2 plus 1. We ended up having to add the same thing anyway. So sometimes when it's a simple problem like adding 1, you don't always have to use the double plus 1 strategy. You could just add the 1 and it would be faster. Okay, how about this problem? Six plus 7. Pause the video and solve 6 plus 7. Okay, so you should have looked and found the smaller add-in first, which is 6. 6 plus 6 equals 12, and then add one more. 12 plus 1 equals 13. So 6 plus 7, your answer, the sum, should have been 13. All right, one more. It's going to be a challenge problem. Not really, I think you guys can do it, but it is larger than the add-ins that we have been working with. Can you solve 11 plus 10? Pause the video and solve using the double plus 1 strategy. All right, so you should have seen 10 is the smaller add-in, so double 10. 10 plus 10 equals 20. And then 20 plus 1 more. What is 20 plus 1? 20 plus 1 is 21. So 11 plus 10 equals 21. How'd you do? Did you get the challenge problem correct? All right, now we are going to look some more at some subtraction word problems. Here's our first one. Mrs. Ray had 12 Yellow Jacket rewards. She gave some away to a few classes in the hallway. Now Mrs. Ray has 6 Yellow Jackets left. How many Yellow Jackets did Mrs. Ray give away? Sounds like there's some missing numbers here. All right. The question that we are trying to solve is what? Well, here's the question mark. So let's look at this sentence here. Here's this sentence. Oh, there it ends right there. See, there's another period. Here's the question. How many Yellow Jackets did Mrs. Ray give away? All right, that's the question we've got to figure out. Now let's go back and listen for important information. Mrs. Ray had 12 Yellow Jacket rewards. So that sounds like that's what she started with. She started with 12. She gave some, mystery number there, some. We don't know how many some is, question mark. And she's giving these. So if she's giving some, she's getting rid of them. She's giving them away. She gave some away to a few classes in the hallway. Now, Mrs. Ray has 6 Yellow Jackets left. How many yellow jackets did Mrs. Ray give away? Well, remember right here in the word problem is where it talks about her giving away yellow jackets. She gave some away to a few classes in the hallway. So here's the part that we need to solve where it says some. So now let's take this word problem and make it into an equation or a number sentence so that we can figure out how to solve this. Okay. Sorry, I'm trying to make it to where y'all can see my board and the problem at the same time. All right. So Mrs. Ray had 12 yellow jackets. So 12. And then she gave some away. So she is giving away. She's subtracting. But how many? We don't know. So that's where we're going to put our big box or our blank. 12 minus some equals, now she has 6 left. So 12 minus something equals 6. Okay. So how are we going to solve this? Just like this. We're going to take 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And also, I could be using counters to help me solve these. I just usually am drawing pictures because I know several of you probably don't have counters at home. But if you have something that you'd rather be using, like counters or Legos or coins, you can definitely use those to help you. All right, so Mrs. Ray had 12 yellow jackets. Here they are. She gave some away, and now we know she has 6 left. So what we're going to do is take those 6 that we know she has left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These 6 are what she has left. So we're doing 12 take 6 away to see how many are there that she had to have given away. She must have given away how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, look, it was a double. 12 minus 6 equals 6. So we took away the ones that we knew were left, and we saw after we took them away what was left for the ones that she actually gave away. I know that can be a little bit confusing, but basically we took what we knew she had and subtracted it, and it just happened to be the same number. All right, let's try another one. Okay, let's see what we have next. Mrs. Palmer had 10 stickers. She gave some of the stickers away. Now, Mrs. Palmer has 4 stickers remaining. How many stickers did Mrs. Palmer give away? This kind of sounds like Miss Ray's problem. All right, let's look for the question that we're going to solve. Well, here's the question mark. So let's see where the sentence begins, right here. How many stickers did Mrs. Palmer give away? That's what we need to figure out. Now let's look for important information. Mrs. Palmer had 10 stickers. She gave some, she's giving some, we don't know how many some is. So that's going to be where my question mark is. She gave some of the stickers away. If she is giving away, that means she is subtracting. Now, Mrs. Palmer has 4 stickers remaining. The word remaining means left, okay? So if it like you have a question that says how many stickers remain, that just means how many stickers are left. So add that word remaining to your brain. It will help you to be smarter. Remaining just means what's left. All right, let's put this into a number sentence to help us figure out exactly what we need to do to solve the problem. So Mrs. Palmer had 10 stickers. That's what she started with. So 10. And then she gave some of the stickers away. We don't know how many, we just know it was some. So 10, take away something, just a box, you could put a question mark even in it. 10, take away something equals, now she has 4 stickers remaining. So we need to see how many did she give away in order to get to 4. What we're going to do is start by drawing 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So she had 10. Now I know out of these 10, 4 of them are what she has left. So 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the ones that she already has left. Okay? They're the 4 that go at the end. So how many stickers must be in the box in order for us to get to 4? What does she have left now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 10 minus 6 must equal 4. And what we're doing in order to solve this big blank is basically we're saying 10 minus 4 equals 6. So 10 minus 6 must equal 4. We're using what's called a fact family to help us solve the problem, okay? We're just flipping and solving. So 10, take away 6 is 4. Let's answer this question now. How many stickers did Mrs. Palmer give away? Mrs. Palmer gave 6 stickers away. Because 10 minus 6 is 4. So let's also now, since we know what sum is, instead of saying sum, let's say the number 6 there and see how it sounds. Mrs. Palmer had 10 stickers. She gave 6 of the stickers away. Does that match what we have? 10, take away 6. Now, Mrs. Palmer has 4 stickers. That's what we have. 10, take away 6 equals 4. So this matches the problem perfectly. All right, last problem coming up here for today. All right. Sam loves to give out candy on Halloween. Sam bought 15 pieces of candy. He gave some of the candy to trick-or-treaters. Now, Sam has 5 pieces of candy left. How many pieces of candy did Sam give to the trick-or-treaters? Okay, question. There's the question mark. Where's the beginning of the sentence? Oh, right there. See, there's a period here. How many pieces of candy did Sam give to the trick-or-treaters? There's our question that we need to be solving. Okay, so now let's listen for important information. Sam loves to give out candy on Halloween. Was there anything in that sentence that was important? Important to helping us solve the problem? No. I mean, it's cool and all that Sam likes to give out candy on Halloween, but it really doesn't matter. It's not going to help us figure out how much he gave away to the trick-or-treaters. Okay, let's keep reading. Sam bought 15 pieces of candy. Okay, so this is how many pieces he started with before having trick-or-treaters come. There were 15. He gave some, okay, same that we've been seeing throughout today's problems. Gave some. Some, how many? We don't know. Question mark. He gave some of the candy to trick-or-treaters. Now Sam has 5 pieces of candy left. Okay, and then we have to solve the question. So let's try to work out an equation here that we're going to use. So Sam bought 15 pieces of candy. So Sam started with 15 pieces. And then he gave some of the candy to trick-or-treaters. We don't know how much, but we know when we give away, we are subtracting. So 15 minus something equals, how many does Sam have left now? Now Sam has 5 pieces of candy left. So 15 minus something equals 5. Sam started with 15 pieces of candy. He gave some to the trick-or-treaters, and now he has 5 pieces left. We need to figure out how many pieces did he give to the trick-or-treaters. So, let's draw his 15 pieces of candy to start with. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, so here's 15 pieces. And remember, we learned that basically what we're doing when we solve these missing subtraction problems here where we have missing numbers, we're basically doing 15 minus the answer to figure out what's missing. So out of these 15 pieces of candy, I know that in the end, Sam still has 5 of them. So I'm going to mark out 5 because I already know about those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So whatever is left must be how many he gave to the trick-or-treaters. So how many did he give to the trick-or-treaters? Sorry if you hear my dog in the background. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so is that possible? 15 take away 10 equals 5. That works because that's what we did. We had 15, and then Sam gave 10 of these pieces to trick-or-treaters, and then remember, these are what he was left with. He was left with 5. So let's answer the question now. How many pieces of candy did Sam give to the trick-or-treaters? Sam gave 10 pieces of candy to the trick-or-treaters. All right, I hope you're starting to get these problems down. They can be a little tricky at first, but I think they're fun because they do challenge your brain a little bit and they definitely make you smarter. All right, see you guys tomorrow. Bye.